Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to access shared files on Google Drive. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here with Google Drive, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Accessing shared files on Google Drive is a straightforward and an easy process because access shared files to work collaboratively with team members on projects, documents, and presentations in real time. In that feature for Google Drive, you can review and provide feedback on shared documents, helping to refine and improve your work collaboration for your team, maybe for your client, to your boss or your company, because access shared resources or reference materials are crucial for your tasks or project. But how can we access the shared files in Google Drive? It's very simple because all you're gonna do is hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on items shared with me or shared with me, the one with the two emojis. Click on that. Now actually these are the shared folders or file that was given to me from my boss, others from clients, and one from my team and other collaborators. You see, there are a lot of files that has been shared with me. And now if you want to access that, all you're gonna do is click on any part of the file, and of course you would be able to open it. You also have an option at the side, the three ellipses icon, wherein you can simply who has access to it. For example, if you do not have permission to view sharing information for this item, so the owner is this person. Basically, you can set a file. Basically, you can set the file limitations here with the access shared file. Now, in the event that you are having problems that you can't find this specific file that you're looking for, you have an option at the shared in Drive here. Click on the magnifying glass and type in maybe files. All right, and then press enter. Maybe just press enter. We will see if we have an option for that. Okay, now you see there's a lot, and you just have to choose the file that you have currently working on. You also have an advanced search option wherein you can type any, is it going to be a photos or images, PDFs? Is it going to be a document? Is it going to be a spreadsheet, a presentation, forms, audio, videos, and a lot more. So you have multiple options for you to choose from. You can type in the owner. Is it going to be from anyone, owned by me, not owned by me, and specific person from the shared files? You also have an option to delete these specific passwords. Now, if you're not really sure what was the entire content all about, you might want to click on that. And you also have you can enter a term that matches part of the file name. For example, you're looking for maybe a collaboration. You can type that in. And the location can be anywhere from your drive, shared with me, more locations. But of course, we're going to tick the option to shared with me. All right. You can also, maybe if you accidentally delete that, you're not sure, click on trash, start, and encrypted. In the date modified, you can search for the today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, last 90 days. You also have an option for the custom wherein you can put in the duration of the date. And once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click on search and you would be able to access the shared files in Google Drive. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.